Hello, time for some phonics, and I thought all of this week, as you are sending me your phonics checks, that I would just focus on a few sounds in each video that is kind of a common sounds that we're not sure of, and that is quite normal that we all kind of find, especially the trigraphs, the hardest ones to learn, which is fine. As I said, I will be uploading personalised work in each of your folders anyway, but this is just to kind of cover us all as a group as well, which we would normally do at this time of year. So I'm going to go through I say, you say, and I have missed out two of the sounds which are going to be our focus for today. So here we go. I say what, you say. I say are, you say. I say or, you say. I say zzz, you say. I say j, you say. I say v, you say. I say you say. I say oh, you say. I say I, you say. I say your, you say. I say ow, you say. I say ooh, you say. I say you say. I say e, you say. I say ch, you say. I say oi, you say. I say x, you say. I say sh, you say. I say zzz, you say. I say you say. I say you say. I say you say. I say qua, you say. I say you say. I say you say. I say you say. Good, well done. Right, okay, so as I said, I've missed out two sounds. Okay, so we're going to focus on these, and they are both trigraphs today. So the first one I'm going to focus on is this one, which is air. I say air, you say. I say air, you say. Well done, good. Okay, first we're going to read a couple of words, and then we're going to write a couple of words with the air sound in. Okay, so I've got my board. The first word that I'm going to write is okay. Can you read it? So, and again. I'll do it with you this time. Air, pear, air, pear. Well done. Good. Okay. Next one I'm going to write. This one's going to be a little bit longer. Is okay. So this one's got a trigraph and a digraph in as well. So okay, let's go. Okay, I'll do it with you this time. Air, p, or t, airport. Air, p, or t, airport. Well done. Okay, we'll do one more reading, and then we've got two words to write. Okay, so we've got okay, we'll do it together. All, air, lair. All, air, lair. Like the dragon's lair, where they lead you, they lure you, to the dragon's lair. Well done, good, okay. Now we're going to do some writing. So I've got my cards here with the pictures on. So, what we're going to put here for chair. Okay, can you write that word down? Right, and we'll do it together. So in chair, we've got ch, air, two sounds. Ch, air. 1, 2. Ch, air. Chair. Okay. Well done if you got that one. Let's turn it over. Okay. Now we've got the word hair. 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 Can you write that word down for me? Okay. Ha. Air. Ha. Air. Two sounds. Ha. Air. 1, 2. Ha. Air. Hair. Well done. Good. So this sound is air. I say air, you say. I say air, you say. Well done. Good. Okay. And the other sound we're going to focus on is this one. Ear. Ear. I say ear, you say. I say ear, you say. Well done. Okay, so let's do some reading. Okay, so I'm going to write down our words. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay. I'll do it with you this time. Ha, ear, here. Ha, ear, here. And it's the type of hear, this here, I can hear. Not the tricky word here that we had the other day. I am here. This is the here, like in your ear here. Okay? And the clue is that it's got the sound ear in, the word ear. Okay? Next word we're going to read together is the word okay, can you read that? Ear, dear. Ear, dear. Well done. Good. Okay. And the last word we're going to do to read is this one here. Okay, can you read that one? I'll do it with you. Ear, fear. Ear, fear. I don't know if you fear something, if you're scared of something. Okay, right, now we're going to do some writing. This is our first word. She's crying, so she's got a tear. 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 Okay? Oh, no, it's tears. Sorry, I wondered why that was a box there. So it's tears. There's an extra sound on the end. Tears. 3 sounds there to write in. Tears. Ears. Can you write those down? Okay, so we've got ear, tears, ear, tears, ear, ear, tears. 3 sounds. 1, 2, 3. Tears. Well done. Good. And this one again, this has got 3 sounds. Beard, beard, beard. What sounds are in beard? How would we write that down? Beard. Okay, write it together. We've got ear, beard, beard. beard. B-eared, beard. 3 sounds. B-eared, beard. 1, 2, 3. B-eared, beard. Well done if you got that one. Okay, so this sound is ear. Ear. I say ear, you say. I say ear, you say. Well done. Good. So today we focused on air and ear. Air, ear. Okay. With this video, I will put a game that you can do with these, or games. Or so you can do that, or you can have a look around your house for some things that have the air sound in and the ear sound in. See if you can find any things, maybe some things that we haven't gone over that have got the ear sound in and the air sound in. Okay? So good luck with that, and hopefully you can see the difference, air and ear. Okay, bye.